Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G from Metro by T-Mobile. So this is a new budget 5G smartphone from Metro. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G phone, the Galaxy A13 is worth checking out. So it's available now. So there's the phone right there, front and back, very nice looking phone. So quick specs on the Galaxy A13. Of course, it has 5G. Of course, that's the main selling point of the phone. 5,000 mAh battery and a 50 megapixel main rear facing camera. So it is free when you guys switch to Metro and put your number over the Metro and stuff like that. So not bad for a free phone. So a free 5G phone, that's a win. The full retail price of the Galaxy A13 5G is $269.99 at Metro by T-Mobile. So yeah. So let's go ahead and check out the Galaxy A13 here. So you guys have your phone here, your front facing camera right there, right there in the teardrop, along with your earpiece above there. If you guys could see that, probably not. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Interesting wallpaper. On the right side of the Galaxy A13 is your power button. Your power button is also your fingerprint sensor as well, along with your volume keys. So the camera does stick out there just a little bit on the back there, so be mindful of that, alright? On the back of the Galaxy A13 is your triple lens camera system, along with your camera flash and your Samsung logo down there. The middle camera is your main camera, I believe. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Then on the left side of the Galaxy A13, your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone right there. If y'all guys can see that, probably not. It's probably hard to tell. But your micro SD and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone, alright? On the bottom of the Galaxy A13 is your headphone jack, which is very nice to have, a microphone, Type-C charging port, and your speaker. Alright. On the top of the Galaxy A13 is your noise cancellation microphone. So yeah. So it says here the Galaxy A13 5G packs the best core features into one of the most affordable 5G phones on the market. Get quick downloading and streaming virtually lag-free on an expansive and smooth display experience, incredible video capturing and photos with a high resolution triple camera and enhanced storage that has room for all of your favorite memories. Plus, get awesome connectivity with a long-lasting battery that charges up fast. So yeah, so the specs here, of course, the main selling point, it has 5G on there. So if you guys are looking for a budget 5G phone, the Galaxy A13 is worth checking out. 50 megapixel triple lens camera system, 5,000 mAh battery with fast charging, expansive 6.5-inch HD plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate. So that is very nice to have. You guys have a HD plus display, so that's a 720p display, but you guys will have a 90Hz refresh rate. So if you guys have that, maybe y'all guys should still get pretty good battery life on here, regardless of if you guys have it on or not. I think you guys have the option to go to 60Hz. I think I could be wrong about that, but you do get a 90Hz refresh rate, so not bad for a budget phone like this. Alright, so y'all guys also get 64 gigabytes of storage, expandable via micro SD up to 1 terabyte, so take advantage of that. Of course, y'all guys can get the Galaxy A13 5G for free when you guys switch to Metro and put your number over the Metro and stuff like that. So you do have to bring your number over the Metro and activate it on the $60 plan. So that's the caveat here. So you have to put your number over the Metro and activate it on the $60 plan. So do that, and the A13 is yours for free. Not bad for a free 5G phone. I think that's a great deal. So check it out if you guys are interested. The specs on this phone, this is a budget phone, but still the specs on that are pretty good. Not bad for a free phone. If you guys get this phone for free, that's a win. So you guys have 64 gigabytes of storage with I think it's 4 gigabytes of RAM. I think you guys will have 47.3 gigabytes available to use. 6.5-inch HD plus Infinity V display, a 50 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth, 2 megapixel macro lens on the back, and a the front facing camera is a 32 megapixel front facing camera. I think it's 32 megapixels. Then you guys have 1 terabyte of expandable storage. So to take advantage of that, you do get mobile hotspot, 38 hours of talk time, Android 11, should be Android 12 on here. Should be Android 12 with One UI 4.0. It says Android 11 on here. Some places have an Android 11, some places it has an Android 12. I don't know why. You guys get an octa-core processor, which is a MediaTek processor on here. The Galaxy A13 5G weighs 6.88 ounces, so not too bad. If you guys are looking for accessories, I mean, I guess you could get accessories from Metro, but I would not do that. I would go to Amazon and type in Galaxy A13 5G to get your accessories for the phone, because they have more choices and you'll get them for much cheaper than you would from a carrier website. So there you guys have it. The Galaxy A13 5G is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A13 is worth checking out. It has great specs for what it is, a budget phone. It's available now for free when you guys bring your number to Metro and get a $6 plan. Y'all guys can get a free 5G phone when you guys put your number to Metro, or it's $269.99 for a retail price. But either way, this is a very nice looking phone. Great specs on it and stuff like that for what it is, a budget phone. Main selling point, it has 5G on it, and I think it's worth a free phone. It's definitely worth a free phone, and I think that a lot of people would be attracted to this phone, because if they switch to Metro, they could get this phone for free, and it has 5G on it. What's wrong with that? That's a great deal there. A free 5G phone, that's a win. So yeah, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy A13 now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.